Hi there everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. Just doing a bit of a, as the US say, vlog or blog. And that I'm just doing a little bit of updating on some work. And I the other day gone along, basically showed you the rust panel that I'm making for my inner wheel arch area just there. Now, as you can see, and I hope you guys can see okay, I'm using the basically a little stand thing, sorry, and that to show you guys. Let me see if I can get it to work. Basically it's a little clip-on thing for your phone. So yeah, so basically, as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strengthening grooves that have been put into the steel to help strengthen it. Now, along here, normally there's spot welds. In here, like you might be able to see, there's one there, probably one there, and that. So there's a few spot welds, and that. So, and then down along this part here, there's a little lip bit that goes around along underneath. Now, I'm going to try and save what I can of mine, if not what I'm thinking I'm doing, to have less chance of more moisture getting into that area and dirt with that lip, and that I'm either going to refold it back down where it's been folded, and then I'm going to get some seam sealer after I've put in the patch, and I'm going to run some seam sealer after I've spot welded it all in along there and then fold it over. If not, what I might do is I might actually cut that lip off. If anyone thinks that's a bad idea, let me know. And that, after I've spot welded it, and then I might go along and continue to do spot welds all the way along it. But so far, there's the panel, and that I've got to take a little bit more, fold this back down here a bit, and take a little tiny bit more out of there. I've also got this bit in there. There's one more I've got to put up there, and then I've got to get some epoxy and basically some kind of rust inhibitor to put in behind the plate here. Now, also I've done, break it out the road. I've done the template up for that area just there, and here. Now it is going to come up all the way up to here, and that because I want to see what's in behind there. So yeah, so that's today's little bit of work. Slowly but surely, I will do another video on tack welding all this in, only because I'm not too sure on how to do the editing at the moment, still through YouTube. So basically all my footage is raw footage. So basically I'll go along, take all this out if I can, and that, clean up whatever's in behind it, and yeah, find out from there. So yeah, well, thanks everyone for watching. Right, that's progresses on that. I've been asked to make a few more videos on the Ute, so that's one. I had a request the other day that might actually help a few people out. on removing your handbrake. So I'm going to look into actually making a video on that, but I'm going to need to get a friend to give me a hand on that. So because I'll need someone to probably film it, or I'll use this bracket that I'm using at the moment. Or I might be able to put the tripod in, not too sure. Other than that, I haven't been able to make the diff video because the sub, like the axles are seized in on the diff that I got, so I can't get that one out. Now, the diff that's in the ute has got a leak in it. So, as you can see, as I'm turning that, it's free. Turns all the way around with no problems. So I might be able to get there and do the pull down video on this diff instead. And that, because if I can get it to just stay there, sorry for the angle. I think, sorry everyone. Yeah, see, I can get a little bit of effort. I'll be able to take these drums off. Actually, I might actually still have the handbrake on. That's why you can hear that little bit of a whine. So yeah, other than that, that's what I'm looking at doing, is getting some epoxy this week. Unless, no, that one's no good anymore. I can throw that one out. So yeah, I'll look into getting some epoxy primer, and something to basically like a rust converter, and then I can put the epoxy over the top, seal it all in. Then we'll look at getting in and drilling out all the spot welds and cutting it all the way to see what's behind and see how much more work I've got to do. Alright then everyone, thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up if you're happy with the videos and like the videos. Also jump over to the Facebook page as well. If you've got any requests on videos that I can make on the and do on the ute, or if it's on one of the other vehicles, just let me know. The only other two vehicles I've got at the moment is the HG station wagon and the LX 4-door Tirana. So if you want to see any videos done on any of them, let me know and I can, well, try and juggle some room. Alright then everyone, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video, and yeah, cheerio for now.